Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. My name is Nur Ramadan binti Muhammad Azaluddin. My matrix number is 2017761855. In this video, I will present my final year project entitled A Review on Mixed Glass Former Effect of Borotollerite Glasses on Structural and Elastic Properties. My project is done under the supervision of Dr. Nurul Shahidah Binti Sabri. This project is done in order to identify and compare the mixed glass former effect of borotollerite glasses with incorporation of different types of additive on structural and elastic properties. So here is the content of my presentation. According to Shelby 2005 and Yadav and Singh 2015, glass is a solid with an amorphous configuration and it has no long-range structural order. It is structured by network molecules of oxides and have non-periodic structure. Glass can be any materials such as organic, inorganic or metallic. It is formed by cooling of melt into rigid state without crystallization and shows the behavior of the glass transformation. Moreover, glass has many potentials on various areas. Therefore, many research has been done for the development of science and technology. Oxide glass can be classified into three groups, which are network formers, modifiers, and also intermediates. The network formers bear the firm foundation in a glass configuration, and the examples are silicate, borate, phosphate, and telluride. The modifiers are ions, and it modified the network former coordination number. The examples are sodium, potassium, calcium, and barium. The intermediates cannot form glass structures by themselves, so it has to combine with other network formers. Here are some definitions of mixed glass former effect. The mixed glass former effect is basically the interesting features of glass materials that happen due to the evolution of the glass structural composition. Such characteristics can be seen through the nonlinear deviation in many macroscopic details. Borotollerite glasses is an example of a mixed glass former, and it consists of two network formers which are tellurium oxide and boric oxide. According to Azlan et al., this glass is the most stable glass, and Kaur et al. Reported that the glass matrix consists of BO4, BO3, TeO4 and TeO3 structural units. This glass is also the best host glasses for transition metals ions. According to Kaki et al. 2019 and Yadav and Singh 2015, there are various methods to produce glass materials such as deposition of vapor, sol gel, neutron irradiation, and melt quenching technique. The structural properties of mixed glass former effect of borotollerite glasses is studied through XRD and infrared spectroscopy. Basically, the XRD method is done in order to verify the glass sample amorphous nature and short-range order. The pattern of X-ray spectra obtained was studied for the mixed glass former effect. Here are some examples of XRD profile obtained. In this slide is the XRD patterns reported by Carr et al. And Carr and Hanna on binary borotollerite glasses. The XRD patterns were observed to have broad arms and no sharp peaks. These results confirm the characteristic of amorphous materials of the glass samples. Majority of research studies reported on similar XRD patterns, which are the absence of break peak and also the presence of white arm. The absence of break peak means that the glass is proved to have amorphous structures, and the presence of white arm means that the glass has no long-range structural order. A few researchers had reported on the emergence of break peaks on the XRD patterns. This is because the glass system has the tendency to undergo crystallization due to the increase of dopant concentration. The second one is infrared spectroscopy. This method reveals various functional groups that are present within the glass samples according to the types of additives added into the glass system. Here are some examples of infrared spectra obtained. The figure is the FTIR spectra reported by Carr et al. And Carr and Hanna 2014. In this figure, we can clearly see that there are three bands at different range of wave numbers. These spectral bands illustrate the mode of vibration for both borate and telluride structural units. At the first band in the wave number region of 500 to 800, Cm-1 is due to TEO linkage vibrations in different TEO units and bending modes of BOB linkage. At the second band of 800 to 1150 is the BO bond stretching in BO4 units. And at the third band of 1150 to 1550 Cm-1 is the asymmetric stretching modes of BO bond in BO3 units. Next is the FTIR spectra reported by Norihan et al. 2018 on lead BT glasses co-doped with neodymium and silver. The figure shows 6 IR absorption bands and the relative band assignments are shown in the table next to it. By comparing with the FTIR in the previous slide, the stretching vibrations of TEO have been shifted due to the incorporation of dopants and the presence of hydrogen bond is detected in the glass system. The second properties being studied is the elastic properties. This properties is observed on the results of ultrasonic testing on various borotelluride glasses. In this study, I am concerned on the results of three aspects, which are the ultrasonic velocities, elastic moduli, and Poisson's ratio. Ultrasonic velocities consist of longitudinal and shear velocities that propagate in the bulk glass samples. There are three types of pattern observed on the reported results of ultrasonic velocities, which are increasing, decreasing, and variation in patterns. The increasing pattern of ultrasonic velocities were reported by Isa et al. 2020 and Sadiq et al. 2018. The pattern was due to the increasing of density and ions connectivity. Besides that, it was also due to the formation of bridging oxygen and increasing coordination number in the glass matrix. The decreasing pattern of ultrasonic velocities were reported by Bulus et al. 2019 and Halimah et al. 2010. The pattern was due to the structural alteration, where the addition of dopants causes the glass structure to be weakened. As a result, the ultrasonic wave propagation becomes impeded. Furthermore, the variation pattern of ultrasonic velocities were reported by Zaiti Zila et al. 2018. This pattern revealed that the glass system had undergone several alterations due to the increasing dopant concentration. Next is the elastic moduli. It can be obtained from the sound velocities measured in the ultrasonic testing. There are three types of pattern observed on the reported results of elastic moduli, which are increasing, decreasing, and variation patterns. The increasing pattern of elastic moduli were reported by Halimah and Yvonne 2019. This pattern revealed that the glass system had increased its rigidity. This is because the non-bridging oxygen decreases and more TeO4 units being developed. Moreover, Sadiq et al. 2018 reported that this pattern was due to the former role of bismuth in the BT glass system. Next, the decreasing pattern of elastic moduli were reported by Bulus et al. 2019 and Halimah et al. 2010. The decreasing pattern is a direct consequence of decreasing pattern of ultrasonic velocities. This pattern reveals that the glass rigidity had been reduced due to the loose packing structure of the glass matrix. Variation pattern of elastic moduli were reported by Nor et al. 2020. This pattern revealed that the glass system had undergone several structural alterations due to the increasing dopant concentration. There are three types of pattern observed, which are decreasing and variation patterns and also almost constant values. Basically, the values of Poisson's ratio reveal that the glass system have high crosslink density, and according to Halimah and Yvonne 2019, the decreasing pattern may be due to the size of effective radius of Gd3 plus ions. According to Bulus et al. 2019, the variation pattern may be due to the irregularity of borate in the glass matrix, especially during the conversion from 2 to 3-dimensional network. According to Sadiq et al. 2018, the almost constant values of Poisson's ratio were due to the longitudinal and lateral strains applied does not affect the crosslink density. As a conclusion, the mixed glass former effect on various types of borothallerite glasses had been observed from the data obtained on the XRD, FTIR, and ultrasonic studies reported by many researchers on the study of glass. Hence, this study has been very practical for me to fully understand the glass matrix configuration and their alteration towards different types of dopants on the structural and elastic properties of the borothallerite glasses.